How to fix no internet connection problem on TikTok. So let's go. So first go to setting. Now click on additional setting. Go to application management. Now scroll down and find TikTok. And click on TikTok. Now press clear data. Tap on OK. Now tap on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back. Now enable the airplane mode. Wait 5 seconds and again disable the airplane mode and restart your mobile phone. After restarting, the problem will be fixed easily. Thanks for watching.